Hey everyone, Alex here from Txture. I'm excited to walk you through some significant improvements we've made to our platform in the latest release. Whether you're a long-time user or just exploring what Txture can do for your cloud strategy, these enhancements will make your experience more intuitive and powerful. Now, first, let's explore the recent enhancements in Txture's cloud modernization recommendations. Here. Now, part of FinOps is to optimize what already exists, but sometimes true optimization can only be achieved by transforming applications to modern technologies. But how to make sure that a modernization path is the right one? With the latest improvements in the platform, cloud teams can now simulate different modernization scenarios for their applications, like containers or PaaS offerings, and identify the perfect cloud strategies. For each application in your portfolio, the platform identifies the best suited strategies and lets you visualize the implementation also of said strategy. In terms of cost savings, in terms of scaling capability, carbon footprint reduction, maintainability, but also expected migration effort. These enhancements empower users to make data-driven decisions and modernize with clarity and confidence. By simulating various transformation paths and understanding their financial, environmental, and technical implications, cloud teams can now prioritize those actions that deliver the greatest value. Now, something completely new, the time range comparison report. As you can see in this example, the report clearly shows a moderate cost increase over last quarter, giving you immediate visibility into spending trends. But beyond the classic cost comparison, the time range comparison report is meant to help you analyze virtually any metric in your IT landscape. Track carbon emissions to measure your green ops progress, or compare VM counts versus container usage to monitor your modernization journey. And really analyze any numerical property across your IT estate over time. You can apply aggregation functions to examine these metrics at various levels, by application, for example, or department, business capability, or any other dimension that you choose. This kind of comparative analysis is essential for effective governance and demonstrating the ROI of your IT modernization and optimization efforts across all dimensions. Next, let's look at our enhanced cluster matrix reports. We know many of you use those to visualize relationships between applications and business capabilities and other elements in your IT landscape. We've completely redesigned how these matrices handle relationship paths, solving some of the performance challenges that limited functionality in the past. With this update, you can now explore deeper relationship chains without any performance issues. For instance, direct same type relationships, so like one application communicates with another application, or a business capability has a child business capability. All those are now easier to configure and visualize. And these improvements made the cluster matrix overall a much more powerful tool for analyzing complex relationships across your IT estate. We've also standardized the report configuration experience across all report types. We've heard your feedback that the inconsistent UI at times made the platform harder to learn and use effectively. What you will now find is consistent placement of configuration buttons and menus, a unified design language across all chart types, and streamlined access to visualization options like color schemes, as well as just overall more intuitive access configuration controls for reports where that applies. All this makes creating and modifying reports faster and more intuitive, whether you're working with tables, cluster matrices, bar charts, or donuts. I like donuts. Now, all these improvements are already available in your Txture environment. We are committed to continuously improving our platform based on your feedback to make it the most effective tool for your cloud modernization and FinOps journey. If you'd like to see a more detailed demonstration of any of these features, please reach out to your Txture contact or message us directly. Thanks so much for watching, and happy optimizing.